Do you need to clean your ductwork?
We recommend to have it inspected, not necessarily to have it cleaned or to have a company come out and clean the entire ductwork. Typically what we find with systems, once you get to about a 15 to 20 year mark, maybe you've had one system or a system changed out before, that ductwork, the insulation actually around the ductwork is deteriorated to a point where it would not be beneficial to actually run a brush through each individual branch line for multiple reasons. One, you can actually tear open the ductwork. There's only a plastic liner inside the duct. That becomes brittle, especially with heating up, cooling off, nonstop. For 10 years worth of time, plastic just becomes brittle. And if you run a brush down there, you can actually cause more damage than you have solved in the end. That's something that we can evaluate, but there are benefits to it. If you have an older house that has hard metal duct inside of it, those kind of houses can be cleaned a lot better than ones that are at least newer or built in the last 10 or 15 years or so that have flexible ductwork. If there's one line, say maybe you have a flood in a kitchen or a garbage disposal goes out on you and it floods water all into a duct that actually feeds into your kitchen, those lines, we recommend replacing them rather than cleaning them, mainly for the issue if there's a lot of excess moisture that gets through to the jacket on the outside of that piece of ductwork. Then you can have, microbial growth, mold, fungus. I mean, you're basically in a perfect environment for things to start growing when you add water to a crawl space. So we really try to stray away from that kind of thing. And to me personally and professionally, if you have a duct that is dirty enough that it's flexible and cleaning it is not the solution, then I would recommend replacing it.
Perfect. Thank you, Ryan. Sorry, y'all. I've had a coughing fit. I think we probably have time for one more question.